In this video I'm going to show you how to create an attribute set. It's one of the easiest things that you can do in Magento. The idea of an attribute set is that attributes can differ between products. So a book's attributes such as ISBN code, author, number of pages aren't really applicable, for example, to flooring, which might have attributes such as length or depth or manufacturer. So what you do is you create different attribute sets. They could, in theory, both use the default attribute set, but the custom attributes that we've created wouldn't go into that default attribute set because it wouldn't be applicable to all types of products. So what I'm going to do is go to Catalog, Attributes, and Manage Attribute Sets. Now we've only got one in there at the moment, the default one. If I also just click on that just to show you, we can go in here and you can see all the default attributes that you get. So name, description, SKU, weight, all things that are pretty broad and apply to most product types. So when you create a new attribute set, you actually have to base it on an existing one. So I'm going to click Add New Set. I'm going to call it Book, and it's going to be based on the default attribute set. That's the only one that's there at the moment. So I'll click Save, and that will create the attribute set for me. This means that next time I create a book, rather than using the default attribute set, I'd use the book attribute set. So we can see we've got the general information here, we've got our prices, price attributes, we've got our meta information, images and so on. What I can do is, obviously I want to add my ISBN and author attributes to these types of products. I could drag them over into the general area if I wanted to, or we could create a new group to put those attributes into. So book information, I'm going to have that just underneath the general group. Then I'm going to drag my ISBN into it. Simple as dragging and dropping an author as well. Colour and manufacturer don't really apply to books that much. Perhaps publisher would make sense as well. But I'm happy with that now. That's my new attribute set for book. So I'm going to click Save. And there we go. So we've now got two attribute sets that exist in the system.